slow. So that was what's called a bill drill with a speed reload and a second bill drill. Bill drill is a defensive shooting technique where it's like, hey, I'm shooting 4 to 6 rounds, like pretty fast. Again, we're at like 20 yards right now, so this is a kind of a long distance for engaging that fast. Probably go a little bit faster. I could try to do it a little bit faster than that. So on that one I hit 5 out of 6. So that's basically like my speed that I want to bring it back in and just slow it down a little bit. Wasn't too bad. And now I'm out of ammo, so you always do the rep though. Always get the repetition in whenever you can.